Hey guys, so today we will try to do something very easy. First thing, if we have a VirtualBox installed on your machine, you should be able to install multiple guest operating system. For example, if you run on iMac and you'd like to have Windows operating system, Windows X or Ubuntu or something else, or vice versa. So in that case, VirtualBox would be go-to. So I have different videos where I have iMac, and on top of iMac I have Windows 10 installed. So in that case, you can look below in the description field. The video URL is there, so you can just go simply click on it to watch the whole video. So without further delay, let's click here. We just search for VirtualBox for iMac. So in the scenario, just once you get to this page, since I'm running on OS, so click on OS host. And if you have a good internet connection, it shouldn't take long. The file's not too big, it's only 117 MB. So for my scenario, it took about 20 seconds. Alright, just click on it. Alright, you don't need this anymore. Once you get to this screen, you should be able to see this, and this will pop up, so you can just drag and drop here or double click, whatever works. So since I already had this VirtualBox previously, so I will say package already exists, I will say replace, so I'll make sure I'm getting the newer version. So if you had a question which version is it, this is gonna be 6.1.6, I believe. So I'm going to be installing for everyone, all the accounts. I have multiple accounts, so I'll make sure this software is installed everywhere. Just click on installed. You need to have your admin account and the password. So once you enter the password, it should be installed real quick. Alright, that's all. So once you click on it, once you get to this screen, it says the installation was successful, the software installed will close. And we can get rid of this, we don't need it anymore. Now from here, we can go to the Finder, we can go to the Applications, and we should be able to see the lovely screen of the VirtualBox. Here, we can initiate it. And the software is here, right here, which is ready for you to install multiple guest operating system on top of your iMac or Mac, whatever the scenario you are having. And thanks for watching the video. If you have any question, comment below and let me know how it is. And if you have any question, I will definitely try to get back to you on the comment. Thanks for watching my channel, and make sure you come back, and I will try to upload new videos ASAP. Thanks, and have a good one.